So what are we gonna do today? I don't know. I got a bunch of writing yesterday done. I got like 7 pages, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what today brings us. Right now I am sitting in the lobby waiting for Deanna to get out for lunch. She's about 20-25 minutes late, but that's okay with me. I'm here for her gig. You know, this is all her stuff, so you know, if I gotta wait around, it's no big deal. I would rather be upstairs writing, but you know, we're really here for her, and that's the thing for me to do, is to just, yeah. Lunch with Deanna is over. I'm gonna go explore. We're gonna head right over here to see the starting line for the Toyota Grand Prix, and then after that we're gonna head over to there somewhere to see the Queen Mary.
Another conference day done.
She's done, so now we're looking for some place to eat or walk around or see or do or. What could you tell me about this lighthouse?
It's in Long Beach.
It's kind of neat. They have these pictures that go all the way around it with like these little information things down here.
It's haunted.
You're right. This particular picture right here shows Pine Avenue going all the way out to watch the Great White Fleet, which is starting its journey to circumvent the globe. It's leaving Long Beach, and all these people are watching as it heads up to San Francisco. Where did we end up?
Outback Steakhouse.
So
we're going to Cold Stone.
Okay, there we go.
That was like life outside of Cold Stone. Now Cold Stone is my life.
There you go, man. Yep. Have a good night, guys.
And?
Perfect.
I have to manage the camera and try and nom 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 nom.